Hi guys, in Friday's video I highlighted a strong downside breakout from previous 5-day balance. So because of this there is a good possibility Nifty will likely go for the week low at 22,690 levels, and 22,000 is very much possible. Over the past 2 days, if you look at yesterday and today, Nifty has been sustaining below 22,700 futures within the seller supply zone from April and May, trading in a tight 100-point range with a strong sideways action. In this video, I'll break down to you how you could have traded this consolidation and share the key levels to watch for monthly expiry on Thursday. Before we get into our daily analysis, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video. Welcome back to the channel. I am Dilip. Now let's go to our Nifty analysis using market profile and order flow. So if you are facing any kind of difficulties in analysis, you can follow me on Telegram where I give live updates. Yesterday there was a gap down because of global markets closing strongly negative, and so whenever you see strong gap, so most of the time there will be some kind of sideways action for 1 or 2 days, and once the price sustains a gap, look for the trades against the gap. When I say against, as the prices goes up, you look for shorting opportunity. So for Thursday, opening is very much important for Thursday. So any gap down opening, look for shorting opportunities. So there is a possibility, again, because it's a monthly expiry, there is a possibility of sideways market, but at the same time it's better to look for shorts on raise. If at all there is going to be a strong gap down, that is going to be very tricky, because it's very rare you will see a 200-point gap down and prices going downside further. So whenever you see strong gap down, let the market sustain for first 2 to 3 hours and then look for shorting opportunities if prices stays within the first 1 hour itself. So for any kind of change in trend, guys, so for now prices again needs to go above this 22,900. Unless Nifty goes back into this multi 5-day balance, it is going to be a sell on range. So likely prices will go for 21,800 levels. This is with Nifty, guys. And coming to Bank Nifty, so again Bank Nifty also, there was a strong gap down, and it was a sideways market because the IB itself is very high, and if you include both the first 30 minutes and the gap itself, it's somewhere around 670 points. So on an average, Bank Nifty moves by 700 to 800 points on any given day. So in such kind of days, with this kind of 700 points along with the gap down, it's least likely there will be a trending market from this from the low point. Again today what happened, it's a sideways market. Now how you could have understood this, it is going to be a sideways market? It is simple with market profile, as I updated in the Telegram group. So morning itself, the first 30 minutes, it's a open auction candle. Whenever you see open auction candle, it clearly indicates both buyer and sellers are presenting itself, and even in the first 30 minutes there is not much of delta, right? A negative delta is 364. So it should not be like that. Whenever a strong buyer or seller is there, there should be good negative delta. That was not seen. And in third and fourth 30 minutes there was a failed auction. Obviously whenever you see failed auction, prices pull back to certain level. So that's what happened, and the overall day itself was spending within 130 points. So you look for short opportunities as the prices raises. The reason is, again, the prices got accepted inside the value area, so it has to cover the POC and it has to cover the value area. For monthly expiry, I think if you ask me, 48,500 is almost certain. It might even come down to 48,430 levels. For any kind of further down move, you need to watch for 48,260 levels. So any acceptance here, straight away you will see 48,000 maybe on Thursday itself, or maximum by the next week itself. So if at all there is going to be a gap down, that might be a little bit trickier. So look for a acceptance above 48,500 levels for any long opportunities, towards 48,630 levels, and second target will be 48,800 levels. So unless that happens, the main trend itself is sell on raise. But if at all there is going to be a moderate gap down, there is a possibility of sideways market. You can scalp small and stay away for that day. If you're keen on learning order flow and market profile, go through the playlist which I'm attaching at the end of this video. So this is with Bank Nifty, guys. Thank you. Have a nice day, guys.